I'm replacing the driver's side window switch panel because my rear right window switch has a broken hinge, and sometimes it gets stuck halfway and the window doesn't go up or down correctly. So there's no need to remove the door panel. If you start prying at the top end, you can pry this up and out, and then you're able to get this entire panel out of the door. You can see that there's these two prongs that will stop you from getting the bottom out first. So you have to do the top first. And then be able to flip it over and remove this little wire. And now you can start swapping out the new panel for the old one. Once you've carefully unclipped the top panel, the bezel, you can swap it over to your new piece and snap it into place. With the bezel back on, just reverse the steps, plug this wire in, install the bottom first. And you're all set.